Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by locking down the one keyword that matches search intent and building a simple resource page that complements your video. Once done, embed the YouTube player with clean embed code and add a one-paragraph summary and timestamp list. Make sure the page has an SEO title, meta description, and clear H1 that matches the keyword. This is the first backlink, because that embedded page will point directly to your video and pass relevant signals immediately to viewers and search engines. Next, you scale by outreach. Find niche blogs, industry resource pages, and active forums that link to similar content and propose adding your embedded video as an update. When you pitch, include ready-to-paste embed code plus 2 to 3 suggested anchor phrases so editors can drop it in quickly. Explain why it improves their page, adds tutorial value, reduces churn. Once editors add the embed or update a post, that contextual backlink strengthens your video's topical authority and drives referral views. To finish, you track each placement and measure referral traffic and watch time from those pages. Use a simple spreadsheet and note edits. If an embed is missing or a link is broken, follow up with a polite request and supply corrected code. Make sure to replace low-value placements and disavow clearly spammy links if they appear. Troubleshooting tip: if links aren't moving rankings, confirm the host page has organic traffic and contextual relevance. Low-quality pages won't pass useful signals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.